In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Broker to TradingView. Whether you're a novice or seasoned trader, TradingView is an indispensable platform known for its comprehensive charts and interactive tools. However, connecting it directly with Broker requires a bit more insight, as XM isn't readily listed within TradingView's trading panel. Let me guide you through this process and make it as seamless as possible. First, you'll want to jump onto the TradingView website using your preferred browser. Make sure you're on the homepage where you can access all the features TradingView has to offer. Once you're there, it's time to open up your chart. Simply navigate to your chart section where you'll be able to visualize all your market data. If you don't have a specific chart in mind, you can easily access a general one to get started. With your chart open, direct your attention to the lower part of your screen and click on the Trading Panel icon. This panel is essentially your gateway to connecting with various brokers on the TradingView platform. Here, you will find an impressive array of broker options to choose from. Unfortunately, and this might be a bit disappointing if you're specifically an XM user, you'll quickly notice that XM Broker is not included in the list of available brokers. This can be a perplexing moment, especially when you're eager to integrate your trading experience seamlessly. The absence of XM Broker in this panel doesn't mean all hope is lost. In fact, what you can do instead is take a more direct approach by logging into the XM Broker platform itself. Ensure you have your XM Broker login credentials handy, as you'll need them to access your account. Once you're logged in, you can manage your trades directly from the XM Broker platform. While XM Broker might not be directly accessible via TradingView's panel, you can still use TradingView's comprehensive charts for your analysis and then execute your trades through XM's own platform. It's a slightly indirect route, but using both platforms in tandem can still enhance your trading strategy considerably. So, keep up with your analysis on TradingView and make your trades through XM. I hope this guide was helpful. While the process might not be as direct as we'd like, it's still quite workable once you get the hang of it. Make sure you explore all the features of both TradingView and XM Broker to take full advantage of what each platform has to offer. Thank you for joining me in this walkthrough, and needless to say, happy trading.